Nearpod has a library full of digital citizenship lessons. We're going to focus on the interactive videos feature within Nearpod. Keep in mind, this feature can be used for more topics than just digital citizenship. So when you're logged into your Nearpod account, you can go to click on Create. You have the option for a lesson, or you can even just make a video. We're going to focus on the lesson though, because the feature works the same with just doing a video. So we click on Lesson, then we're going to go ahead and add our first slide, and we're going to choose the video option. Here you have the ability to search Nearpod's digital library of videos they already have created. You can go to YouTube and find a video on YouTube. You can search your own videos that you have saved within the Nearpod library, or you can even upload a video from your Google Drive or your computer or any other cloud-based option here. So we're going to go ahead and show the video library feature. So right up at the top, you can search for digital citizenship. Then over here to the left, you can actually select a grade level. Notice here as well, I said it can be used for many different options, so you can actually select your state standards or even subjects to find videos that are already pre-created within Nearpod. So I'm going to see right here these videos. Notice that it tells you the time, the length of each one of the videos right here down at the bottom, and if you hover over them, it'll give you a description of what this video is about. So I'm going to go ahead and just select this first video. You'll see the video will open up and you'll see a play bar across the bottom here with blue dots. When you hover over these blue dots, it shows you that there's already been an interactive question added in this video. You'll notice the blue button here where you can add additional questions. So I'm going to go ahead and use the play bar, and I'm going to scroll across to right about here. I can click here and say add activity, and you have the option of an open-ended question or a multiple choice. So you would just click on the option, you type your question up here, and then you would type in your different answers. And then you'll notice this little checkbox, that's where you would select the answer that is the correct answer. If you want to add additional answers, you would just click on this blue Add Answer button and continue to add. Once you have your interactive questions set up, go ahead and click on Save. I want to show that if you create your Nearpod in Google Slides, you'll have this exact same feature. So you'll go to the add-ons, then make sure you open up your Nearpod, and then over here on the right hand side you will scroll down to the video section. Here you have those same options of either searching the Nearpod library, YouTube, or uploading your own video. So I just wanted to show you have these same features if you create within Google Slides. So let's show what this is going to look like. So I have a Nearpod video already opened up here. So on the left hand side is the teacher, and on the right hand side is student. We are in a live participation right now. When you get to a video option in your Nearpod, you will see this question: how do you want to play this? You may find that you use these different options at different times. That depends upon what is best for you. If you choose Teacher Plays, the video will play on the teacher slide, and the students will continue to see the words Eyes Up Front. Students Play, the videos will play on each student's device as they are viewing and listening to it on their own. I'm going to choose the Teacher Plays option and click Continue so we can see what this looks like. Because a great feature about this is as it plays,
how do you find something? Search it up.
So you can see right here we just hit a blue dot, and so you'll see this is what the teacher screen looks like now, and the student screen changed from Eyes Up Front to they now see the question on their screen. So if you were doing a Google Meet with your kids, you would need to make sure that you tell them be on the tab that has the video on it with our Google Meet while we watch the video together. Then they will switch to the tab with the question. As students answer the questions and submit their answers, you will be able to see those results come in. So you can see Nearpod Interactive videos is a great way to check for student understanding throughout a lesson, It's a great way to break up some of those longer videos that you might have to kind of just stop and check in with your kids to see if they understand what they're actually viewing. It also is a great way to make sure students stay engaged while they are watching videos. The other option I wanted to show in here when you are looking at your video is that there is a trim option. So let's just look at that trim option really quick. So if you have a longer video on YouTube and you only maybe want to show a couple minutes of it or even 30 seconds of it, because remember we want to keep videos short, you would click on this trim feature over to the far right. That allows you then to trim this video and have just the portion that you want the students to watch. I'm going to hit cancel for this for now. The other thing I want to make sure I mention again is if there was already a question on here that you do not want to use, you would click on edit and then you would just delete that activity down here in the very bottom middle. So keep in mind you can remove questions that were in the pre-made videos and add your own. So check out interactive videos, either using some that are already in the library, there are so many on Digital Citizenship, or creating your own, or heading out to YouTube.